Alright guys, I just have a real quick video on this one. This is the Casio MRW-200H-1BVCF. This one is, in my opinion, the best, least expensive quartz analog watch you can buy. I think I paid like $15, maybe $15.50 or something like that on Amazon Prime. And I do know that they can take a beating as well. I work with a guy that has worn one of these probably for over a year now, and it is thumped on hardcore, and it is still just, keeps working. So you're looking at about a 43 case without the crown. You know, a lug to lug, you're looking at about 48. Thickness, of course, it's going to be thinner, 11.7. This is my new caliper, by the way. I got rid of the other one. Instead of doing the battery in it, I found this one for really cheap on Amazon as well. I forget how much it was, but it was even less. It was definitely under $10, and a lot larger screen, so you guys can easily see it. I can easily see it. But back to this guy. I mean, it's nothing fancy. It's plastic. It's a Casio. The bezel actually does turn. It doesn't click or anything, and it goes both ways. It's stiff enough where I don't think, you know, if you were going to time something, I think it would work fine because it's not going to get bumped out of the way. Non-screw down crown. You do have the day-date function. Other than that, I mean, and they come in a bunch of different colors too. I just happen to pick this one because I think it's the most legible, just with that white on the black. I'll throw it on my 7 1/8 inch wrist so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. There it is, nice and simple. Fits great. It's light. I don't have my scale down here, but it's really light, like less than a G-Shock, I'm sure. Definitely less than a regular G-Shock. So super comfortable, super light, insane affordable at just over $15. Great, great all-around analog watch. I think it's really going to be hard to beat this one at that $15 price point. So there's a quick look at it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it because I don't think I'm going to keep it. Maybe I will. Might be kind of nice to have this one. Maybe I'll give it to my buddy at work. See if he wants a new one. So if that guy's watching, hit me up on Monday if you watch this, and I'll have it with me. There's a quick vid, and I'll catch you on the next one.